If you want to eat breakfast that is good and healthy and will give you energy for the day, here's what I suggest. You can have your coffee or tea, but what you do need is to get some carbohydrates with some protein in there, and we want to keep those fats in there, but let's go with the healthy fats. So I like cottage cheese, whether it be 1%, 2%, with my favorite fruit of the day on the side. Mangoes are great to get right into that bloodstream. You get that sugar, you're going to get that energy, and it's got a lot of nutrients as well. Any kind of berry that are low glycemic, it's going to give you some energy for the day. And another thing that would be great would be some peanut butter and a banana on the side. I know we all grew up with that. That's a great start to the day. But make sure we're having some protein with that, so we can have some cheese on the side and a whole grain piece of bread. Main thing is don't overeat in the morning so you're so full and heavy. Have things that are light, not heavy, and not acidic. All right, have a great day.